I was like, dekhenge, he's just another guy. I was not this person who you know now, like really lock in. My parents were like, bas karo itna, I do it online. I'm not the easiest person to be with. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruchita and if you're new here, why are you new here? Why aren't you subscribed yet? आज हम कर रहे हैं एक Q&A जो कि मैंने अपनी स्टोरी पे पूछा तुमसे कि ask me questions about life in general and I got some questions. Let me tell you. तो अपनी अपनी drinks ले आओ, mocktail, cocktail, tea, coffee, whatever it is. I have some mango juice with sparkling water. Sorry, sparkly water in it. We're not calling it sparkling water anymore. It's sparkly water from now on. And lock in because it's about to get juicy. I have my questions with me and I'll try to answer as many as I can. If I don't answer your question, just forgive me. Forgive and forget. So the first and the most asked question is, girl, are you married or are we just assuming? Yes, I am married. I've been married for a year and a half now to Ravish, who is my husband, who I'm married to. Okay, how did you and Ravish actually meet? Bumble. Yes, I love to buy things online and मैंने एक husband भी online ढूंढ लिया. We met and we instantly clicked. We just dived in. We knew we were made for each other. It was very easy. We clicked like that. And मुझे याद है कि we were a few months into dating and we knew that we were right for each other. And हमने सिर्फ एक ही जो phrase जो हर कोई बोलता है, we also felt it. When you know, you know. You and Ravish give very best friends who flirt energy. Were you all instantly comfortable around each other? Yes. As a matter of fact, I was done with guys. I was done with everyone. And I was like, जो होना होगा देखा जाएगा. And I did not even put that much effort into my outfit or my looks when I first met him. I was like, देखेंगे, he's just another guy. But I think that was the point when I really was like, I won't be tolerating any shit from anyone. And I kind of got that lens which lets you filter bullshit, and Ravish was just real from day one. And I think he was also looking for the same thing in me. What's one thing that no one talks about? Marriage. It takes work and it takes a lot of communication. Let me tell you, I was not this person who you know now. इतनी बातें नहीं करती थी मैं रैंडमली किसी से भी कहीं भी, बट मेरे को आदत हो गई वंस आई मेट रविश एंड वी स्टार्टेड कम्युनिकेटिंग लाइक क्रेजी. टेक्सटिंग वाली कम्युनिकेशन को मैं नहीं मानती. यू जस्ट कैनॉट जज इमोशंस ऑन टेक्सटिंग. यू हैव टू बी फेस टू फेस टू नो ईच अदर एंड like really lock in. That's my like top of the head wali advice about marriage. Also, how are your cocktails so good? Did you actually study mixology or are you just naturally that cool? I am naturally that cool. So I have always been into cooking and making beverages. मैं बचपन में हर दूसरे दिन उठ के केक्स बनाने लग जाती थी एंड एट वन पॉइंट माई पेरेंट्स वर लाइक बस करो, इतने भी केक्स नहीं खाने हमें घर में. एंड मैं क्रेजी हो जाती थी अबाउट बेकिंग एंड कुकिंग एंड मेकिंग न्यू रेसिपीज. एंड फिर मैंने वो बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया करना. आई फोकस्ड ऑन माई स्टडीज लाइक वन डज. आई डोंट नो व्हेन दिस हैपेंड बट आई रियली गॉट इनटू learning how to make cocktails, how to balance cocktails, how to make really good mocktails. I used to scroll for hours. I used to watch lots and lots of YouTube videos. देख देख के मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस आया थोड़ा. मैंने खुद एक दो बारी ट्राई करी जब रेसिपीज कॉकटेल्स वगैरह, सबने बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दिया मुझे. एंड आई वाज लाइक मे बी दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली लाइक. तो there is no looking back now. I just started doing it and I really enjoy it. I don't do it professionally. I do it online. What's your go-to drink to make when people come over? A hot latte, believe it or not. I make really good vanilla lattes and I love making them. तो अगर कोई भी मेरे घर आता है for a coffee, they will get that. If it's an icy drink, maybe something with lemon, mint, maybe like a Tom Collins. That's also my favorite cocktail. Favorite cocktail spot in Delhi, believe it or not, मैं इतना ज़्यादा party और going out वाली चीज़ नहीं करती. I enjoy making drinks at home, but if there is one place that I've been to recently, that is Genre. I went there on my birthday. It's like a speakeasy. They had really good cocktails. I do recommend it. And मेरा go to मतलब And this is where my mic cut off, but I am saying that I love going to social like it's a no-brainer. Continuously, I've been making it for a year and I have been consistent, thank God. I am one of those people, Capricorn rising, Scorpio moon shit, who like to get really focused and complete something. तो मैं बिल्कुल भी pause लेने में believe नहीं करती. I've been doing it for a year and so far I really enjoy it. It only feels like work when I have to post something, but मेरे को quality पे compromise करना नहीं अच्छा लगता. So I like to keep reminding myself that keep it fun, keep it light, and don't stress yourself out because I am fortunate enough that it is working out. That's what. But it doesn't feel too much like work for me. It's more like play for me. What's something no one tells you about being a creator? It takes hard work. It takes a lot of staying on track. As I said previously, consistency and figuring out who you are. मेरे according सबसे पहला step यही होता है. What you are trying to communicate, what you are trying to bring across. It will only show when you're authentically yourself. And it takes time to discover that. I'm discovering myself even now. How old are you, by the way? A lot of people cannot tell, but a lady never reveals. What did you study in college? बहुत लोगों को ये नहीं पता है. खास मेरा इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है उसमें. I actually studied fashion designing in college from Pearl Academy in Delhi. Yes, बिल्कुल नहीं लगता होगा मेरी बातों से, but I have knowledge of fashion and style and shopping obsession वहीं से आती है मेरी. And after that, I did a distance MBA program in marketing. So I do like human psychology. Marketing में जाने के बाद मेरे को ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी एंड एवरीथिंग समझ आई. व्हाट पीपल लाइक, व्हाट पीपल एंजॉय, हाउ दे कम्युनिकेट, व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग अक्रॉस. So that is something I bring into my content as well. Did your parents support this career path from the beginning or did it take convincing? There was no convincing, and me being me, I don't feel like I need to convince anyone. एक बार जब आपकी शादी हो जाती है वैसे भी आपके पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि जो करना है वो अपने घर में करो, एंड आई एम डूइंग दैट एंड दे आर सपोर्टिव. मेरी मम्मी को तो खुद शौक है कंटेंट क्रिएशन का. उनको टाइम नहीं मिलता है बट उनका बस चले तो शी विल ऑल्सो बी अ क्रिएटर. एंड क्रिएटिविटी के लिए कभी भी मेरे घर में कोई ऐसे स्टॉप या रोड ब्लॉक्स नहीं थे कभी भी. व्हाट वाज योर फर्स्ट एवर जॉब? सो राइट व्हेन आई गॉट आउट ऑफ कॉलेज, COVID hit, and during COVID I got my first job as a graphic designer. So I did that for a few years. Then I got into marketing. Now I'm a content creator. Feels nice to say that. You seem very whimsical in the best way possible. Have you always been like this or did you become softer with age? Definitely the latter part, because I used to be class monitor, beat your shit up type of a person in school. And जो लोग मेरे को स्कूल से जानते हैं, they know अगर किसी ने मेरे साथ कुछ गलत किया है बचेगा नहीं वो बंदा. But I definitely worked on myself. I would like to say I am softer with age, but I'm not the right person to answer it. The people around me can answer it, and I do sometimes. I'm not the easiest person to be with, to be frank. What are your oddly specific joys in life? How interesting is this question? Maybe when I have a really nice schedule, which I absolutely do not at this point. Waking up at a certain time, going to the gym, eating, showering. I don't have a schedule in place right now. So that might be one oddly specific joy when I have those things in place. Other than that, the color pink. Anything pink colored, I'm easily convinced to buy. What's something that instantly romanticizes your day? Love year. I also love year. But something that romanticizes my day, meeting my friends. I think out of the ordinary on a weekday, middle of the day, meeting my besties. What's your comfort movie, comfort song, comfort drink combo? Wow. You know what? It might shock you, but my comfort movie is Shrek, and specifically Shrek 2. Not 1, not 3. Shrek 2. Comfort song could be anything by Taylor Swift. Early Taylor Swift, You Belong With Me era, anything from that era. And comfort drink combo. I'm a sparkling water, flavored sparkling water kind of girl. कई बार मैं पूरी बॉटल एक दिन में खत्म कर देती हूँ. Especially if it's, I don't want to name a brand, but there is a specific brand which makes really good sparkling water, which is also flavored. and 0 calories. If your current life phase had a color palette, what would it be? This would be my color palette, definitely. What kind of life are you trying to build for yourself lately? I'm trying to build a life where I am fulfilled, whether it's spiritually, financially, or however life is usually fulfilled. I want to live life on my own terms, is the best way I can put it. What's making you genuinely happy recently? Going to the gym, especially in the middle of the day when there are no people at the gym. Because I hate sharing or waiting for the machines to get free, and मैं gym को बिल्कुल अपने private gym की तरह treat करती हूँ. So I go specifically in the middle of the day so that I can have it all to myself. I think मेरे को यहीं पे रुकना पड़ेगा because this video will get very long. अगर तुम्हारे पास और कोई questions हैं, if you want to know anything else, drop it in the comments and I'll try to answer them in the second part. But this was fun, and if you're not subscribed yet, you need to have a sip. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.